Bitcoin went to bed last night feeling like this and woke up in the morning feeling like this. Bitcoin is making moves, pumping like crazy, looking like a wild woman in distress, running through the woods with a laundry basket on her head. And of course, we are long and strong on Bitcoin, the long setups that we gave in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Literally, both of these long trades were given from the exact bottom. Shout out to the Casper Crew. So today I'm going to be sharing my targets, my trading plans, and the fact that altcoins are probably about to pump like crazy within the next few days as the Bitcoin dominance chart is coming up to major resistance. So make sure to stick around till the end of the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. Bitcoin is right now breaking out of this symmetrical triangle pattern and has actually come back down to retest previous resistance as support, which means as long as we can hold above $30,500, I do believe that we are going to see much higher Bitcoin prices. When we take a look at these higher term timeframes, it becomes very, very clear that we are in a bullish trend since November 2022. We started forming a very bullish inverted head and shoulders pattern. We got the breakout back here in March. Then we've come back down 2 weeks ago for a retest, basically confirming that what used to be resistance for a whole year has now been flipped into support, which is why we took that long trade setup in the Casper Crew VIP Discord from $24,825. Shout out to the Casper Crew, everybody who's holding these juicy long trades along with us. And by the way, if you want to trade the markets along with us with literally the best deal on fees, I highly recommend you check out MEXC, my favorite exchange, up to a $9,000 deposit bonus, 0% limit order fees, 33% off market order fees. Link in the description and the pinned comment. Only if you know how to trade should you sign up. So these are my targets to the upside. First of all, the technical target of this inverted head and shoulders pattern is going to be at about $36,000. $36,000 is such a key level because it's the 382 Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high we made in November 2021 to the low that we put in November. And so this is the first major high time Fibonacci level of resistance that we have basically since the entire bear market. Now, when we take a look at a lower term time frame and we take a look at the symmetrical triangle that we're currently forming, this also does appear to be a bull flag. And if we take the flagpole and extrapolate to the upside of the breakout, you can see that we're coming in just under $36,000. So my bullish target for both of these moves is going to be $36,000 for Bitcoin. Now, of course, we do have a few minor levels before 36K, such as 33K. But when we take a look at the chart here, there's really no resistance on this last move down. We just fell straight through, which means we could get sucked up just as easily. Like one of those things at the bank, you know, back in the day, the teller would put the thing down before online banking, you put the money in there, send it up, whoop, it would come back, your mom would give you a lollipop from the bank. That's what's going to happen once the Bitcoin price breaks out of this triangle. And as you can see, we're currently starting to get some serious movement to the upside. As long as we hold $30,500, I do believe that we are going to see that move. So I remain bullish on Bitcoin. I have take profit set at $36,000. The only two scenarios that would cause me to flip bearish would be number one, if we actually lose this key support at $30,500, in which case I would expect to move at least back down to the low 29,000s, probably 28.5, or if we actually come above this key level and we start to see bearish divergences on the 4-hour time frame and down, right? If we see this 4-hour print that red dot and the momentum wave is lower than this momentum wave and the money flow continues to get down, well, that to me will look like an upside down pair of uneven butt cheeks, aka a bearish divergence, in which case I would expect that Bitcoin will probably not make it up to the $36,000 level. So those are my two criteria for actually switching bearish. But if we don't get either of those things, I will remain bullish. I will remain in these juicy swing long trades that we gave in the Casper Crew. By the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give setups like this and like this, where we do multiple live streams every single day, a great community to learn and grow as a trader, not a signals group, but an educational community, go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the VIP Discord. Also, if you want to learn how to trade this way, check out the 25% sale we are having on both of our trading courses. These are changing the way literally thousands of people approach these markets. Link in the pinned comment and description. One of the most exciting parts about this Bitcoin price action is the Bitcoin dominance, because right now, according to this chart, altcoins are about to pump like crazy. Now, the price of altcoins is inversely correlated to the Bitcoin dominance. When we see Bitcoin dominance pumping, altcoins do nothing, or they kind of bleed out slowly. When the Bitcoin dominance chart gets a pullback, this is when we see altcoins go absolutely crazy. We saw this in the spring of 2022. We saw this just a few months ago. Bitcoin dominance was getting a little bit of a pullback. Meanwhile, we saw PP coin and a whole bunch of other meme coins and altcoins pump like crazy. I do not believe this will be bearish for Bitcoin, but basically when Bitcoin gets its big moves to the upside, altcoins kind of take side stage. Meanwhile, when Bitcoin dominance is starting to consolidate or get a move to the downside, the Bitcoin price just ranges, but meanwhile, altcoins are where the real opportunities are at. As we take a look at the weekly market Cipher B, we can see that we're starting to top off right here. VWAP starting to point down, momentum wave starting to curve over. On the daily time frame, we've actually already confirmed a bearish divergence. So I would be really watching the altcoins for the next few weeks, guys. Once Bitcoin hits its $36,000 target, I would expect Bitcoin to get a pullback and altcoins to take center stage for the next few weeks. So make sure you are prepared for that. All right, y'all, that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, and I do pray that everybody watching and listening is very blessed. In the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah, even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!